There's the big blue bug. Hello world, it's your Unkle Heavy with my weekly vlog, and today I'm on location back in Providence. We had to come back and tie up the last of our business for Dad, so we have a little bit more time today. I'm going to try to explore the city, maybe even rent some scooters and take a ride around that way and see what's going on in here. So, no tickets required just yet. Let's go see what kind of trouble we can get into. You come along.
Camcorder. Mine. No way.
Walking up here on the Capitol building again. And this is definitely not Jason behind my hand here. You can't see him. Definitely if I try to move around, you can't see him. This is definitely not Jason right here. This here is definitely not my brother Jason. Whatever I do. Now, the last time I was here, I literally had 60 minutes to create a vlog. So today, since I'm a little bit better off with time, I wanted to get a better shot of the Providence train station and the Capitol building that sits right behind it. So I think we're gonna go take a walk and find a couple of battery-powered scooters and tour Providence that way. So this looks like it's gonna be our mode of transportation here. We're going 6 miles an hour.
There we go. I can, why they sell them?
Yeah, but you need a medical. So there's the Capitol building.
Yeah.
I don't know how this video is coming out. This is my first GoPro video. You want to go up there?
Sure. The library? I'm at 9. How fast are you going?
8,
Yeah.
9.
11. Doing 11.
Woohoo, down a hill.
Ooh.
Yeah, it was a bit bumpy. Whoa. So just here on the backside of the Capitol building on my trusty steed.
Where's the brake?
Whoa. Okay, Croft. Still not comfortable with the jumping curbs and stuff. This is North Main. I'm doing 9 miles an hour. Rhode Island School of Design and Museum of Art. This is a World War I monument that sits in front of the Providence County Courthouse. There's the Providence County Courthouse. We're over here by some kind of a waterfront. So if you get the opportunity, now I know Providence isn't the only city that does this, but the scooter tour is pretty darn cool. This would be the Rhode Island Korean War Memorial. If you look at all the bricks, many names of all those killed in action. And you'll see it goes all over here too. And all over there. Looks like there's a tour boat coming down canal. Oh, I want to stop and get this mural. A little more panning of these buildings here, but look at this absolutely gorgeous mural right here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stories worth of mural here in Providence. Very cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Just a little bit further down this canal here. A couple ducks. This city's pretty cool. I wish I had done a little bit more research and checked out some of the hot spots, but just kind of tooling around these scooters, very nifty. Here's a really cool mural here, and looking up here, these are all painted windows, and look at the corner that's curling up there. That's so cool. Look at all these buildings here. We're like right in the center of it all. Just stopping to take a peek at the federal courthouse. Gotta get the bus in there too for full effect. Looks like they do gondola rides here too. So that's gonna do it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. If you did, throw me a big thumbs up below and share it with your friends. If you're new to my channel, check out some of my other vlogs. If you like them, consider subscribing. Make sure you hit that bell so you'll be notified of all the new vlogs I put up in the future. From Providence, Rhode Island, I'll be signing off. Till next time, bye-bye. Providence.